ever wondered how you can create more content or create content more quickly? I'm going to share with you guys my content creation hacks of things that help me create content quickly and easily. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Angela. Thanks so much for being here. So I am a content creator across multiple platforms, and this is my second YouTube channel to help you guys out and share with you guys my tips and hacks. So a lot of you have wondered, how do I create so much content? How am I able to do it all? So here are some hacks. Here's some things that I do and incorporate in my business to help me be on all of these platforms. I'm not just Instagram, I'm not just a YouTuber, okay? So these are things that I definitely incorporate in my content creation process. One, I batch my content. What is batching? I'm glad you asked. That is doing the same task back to back and putting it all in the same time frame. So I batch all of my YouTube videos. I'll shoot back to back to back like I'm doing now. I'll shoot multiple videos in a certain time period back to back. So I do it with photo shoots. I'll shoot pictures back to back to back. You can do it for Instagram photos, YouTube videos, my TikToks. I shoot TikToks back to back a lot of times, or I'll sit down and edit TikToks back to back. I'll do all of that in a period. That's called batching. I'll sit down and edit videos in one time period. That means I don't have to move, I don't have to change my mindset. Batching saves you so much time because you don't have to change gears or change stuff. When I shoot, I have my camera equipment all set up, ready to go. So all I do is sit down, boom, boom, bam, back to back. I have my makeup on so I don't have to redo, because guys, I really don't like shooting a lot in a week. And I also do like live streams on Amazon too. I do a lot. So if I can shoot all my videos in one day, I have the rest of the week to take care of all the million other things I gotta do. So batching is such a time saver. It's something I've incorporated for years. I still do it now. And like today, I am shooting about 5 videos or more. Sometimes I've done 7 in a day, so I kind of push the limit sometimes. But I shoot as many videos in a day so I don't have to shoot no more for the month or the week or a couple weeks. So whatever time period you're trying to push for, that's what I do. So you can literally create an entire month's worth of content in a day or a few days. So batching is something I do, I live by, and I definitely recommend doing. So here's another hack. I also repurpose. Repurposing is using the same piece of content just for a different purpose. So I might use a thumbnail or a picture I've taken, and I'll use it for a thumbnail on YouTube. I'll use it for a thumbnail on Amazon Live. I'll use it for Instagram feed posts. Just different things. I'll put it in a Pinterest post. So yeah, it's using that same piece of content. I created that picture one time, and I've used it in a multitude of different ways. I do it with so many things. I've done videos all about repurposing, you guys. I will link them below or in the info cards, and you can see that. But I've done videos about that, and if you want to learn more of how I repurpose, check those videos out. I give some great examples. But because I'm on every platform, Amazon, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, all of these, YouTube, everything, I have to repurpose content. And I do it all the time. I can use one piece of content 10 different ways. Repurposing is such a lifesaver and a time saver. And here's the third hack for you that I incorporate and love to do. That is using presets, or just copying and pasting your editing settings on different pieces of content. What I like to do is, whether I'm on a phone or a computer, I do it on both. If I have a photo and I've already edited this photo for my liking, color, brightness, saturation, contrast, all of that, what I'll do is either I'll create a preset for it, or I'll just copy that setting and paste that setting across the rest of my pictures that I need to edit. And that saves a lot of time. Like I said, I use apps on my phone. I also use apps on my computer to do that, and it's just such a time saver. I don't have to sit there and edit each and every picture. I literally just copy the settings and paste them across the rest of the pictures that I need to edit. If you need to tweak some here and there, like if some came out a little bit brighter, you can always tweak here and there. But overall, it saves so much time. time. Lightroom is an easy app on your phone. If you're wondering that you can use that for you, you can either create a preset or you can copy settings and paste them across different pictures. On my computer right now I'm using Polar, but there's tons of photo apps. You just make sure they have that feature where you can copy and paste settings, and that'll save you a buttload of time editing your photos instead of individually. So there you guys go. Those are 3 content creation hacks for saving you time, creating content easily and efficiently, and those are things that I incorporate in my business. Hope that helps you. If it does, make sure you like this video. Make sure you also leave a comment below and say hi to me, and I'll see you guys in my next video.